What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I've missed you all so much. As you can see, cars are still going through the line behind me. If you haven't watched part one, I continued right off where we ended the first one. So what we're going to do in a few moments, me and Cobra Sam have collected some of the top Foxbodies here, top cars here with some of the best tires for Burnouts. We've checked out the Burnout boxes and we've been watching who's gone through the Burnout box to see who can perform some of the best Burnouts. And we have opted them into the Burnout competition. So that being said, 7 o'clock we're going to start running them. So that's in about 20-30 minutes. So as soon as these cars get put through, we're going to have the Burnout box going. We're going to get a whole bunch of video and a whole bunch of footage for you guys, up close and personal as always. It's going to be worth it. It's fun. This content's amazing. I love you guys. So let's get into it.
So this is the blank side that says car number, it scrolls up. And then there's the, I'm not gonna show you the list, baby. Call them in different orders. Yeah, they're not gonna be in this order. I'm gonna move some of them up and some of them going down based on the tires that they have when they begin with.
This is pretty good because there is almost over 300 to 400 Foxbodies here today, and there's some ridiculous builds as you see pulling up behind me. You guys will see my Foxbody if you haven't over on my Instagram channel. If not, right? I love my Foxbody, but to see everybody else's passion come together with these Foxbodies and keep them alive, and you know, it's fun. It's a fun process. It's a fun thing. So I'm super excited. There's one of the contestants. Love those seats.
Possibility stuff. I was just asking, are y'all taking a break for drag racing right now? And then y'all doing a burnout competition?
Yep.
So not that.
Let's get it more time.
Because I was yours is pop first. Kind of drainy shit.
No,
the red one, because he had one of his buddies in the car.
Yeah, the red one's ours, has my buddy, and then the one with the underglow with the yellow amber lights on.
You get into competition?
Not the burnout competition, no.
Cut it out, man. Cut it out.
So,
okay, I see some green down. Let me see it again. Hell yeah! Okay, hell yeah! Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about. I need that from this side over here. Do it for it. You better send it, baby. My man Mike is in the building, y'all. All right, Mike, send it. We're gonna say boo. 1, 2, 3. Boo. We got Jared in the building, y'all. Jared. All right, send it. It's on you. If he makes a noise, I'll let him go again to redeem himself. Or if you do not make any noise, he can't go. So it's on you. Autism. So give it up for him, y'all. Chad, give it up for him, y'all. Cancer and autism. One of my favorite cars, y'all. So make sure you like that. Okay, Chad. Come on, Chad. Over there in the balcony, there's about 100 people. Let me hear y'all say, yeah. Like them up. Send it, baby. crazy. Okay, we got.
Oh no, puppy!
My man, Kenny wanna go again to relieve himself. Can y'all make some noise? Yeah? Okay. Hey, I'm with it, y'all. I'm with it. Go get your car, mate.
No peer pressure.
All right, y'all. We got my man Kenny. Kenny's in the building, and he brought 3 cars to this Foxtoberfest, y'all. Okay, Kenny. Redeem yourself, baby. All right, all right, all right.
Putting them together is bad.
All right, Lala. Yep.
There's definitely.
Yeah. Yo. It's my guy right here. He's gone. Big Red is in the building. Yeah. Big Red, make some noise, yo. Come on, y'all! Come on, y'all! Make some noise, y'all!
X-Pipe right now, people! $300 with all 2 sessions. Get it while it's hot. Let me see how hot it is. Come on, feel it. Feel it.